Do you actually find it hard to drive traffic from social media, from Pinterest, from Twitter, from Instagram? Well, this is my traffic on an e-commerce site. This is my traffic on a blog in a 2-week period. 11,000 page views. Now, if I go on the e-commerce site, if you scroll down at the bottom and you look at the sources of traffic, Facebook, Instagram, and Instagram stories, and you look at here, there is no organic traffic from Google, but then it's all social. If I look at this other blog, the mmsexperience.com, if I scroll down again at the bottom, look at what platforms are driving traffic to my blog. It is YouTube primarily, Reddit, Facebook, and Instagram. Well, not much Instagram, but I am going to show you actually 7 to 8 hacks to drive massive traffic to your website. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel because there are so many things that I cover on this channel, from online business building to Facebook ad, Instagram growth, blogging, SEO, e-commerce, and much more, affiliate marketing. There are so many videos that I've already, I have over 100 videos. So if you come on the videos here, there are so many videos that you can check out, and you can also explore the playlist that where I have filtered all the playlists that you need, from Instagram growth to blogging, SEO, and this is called Freetrepreneurs because I want to empower you. Now let's get right into it. If you look at this Lion page, for example, that I have over 2,000 posts, but I have not manually posted all those 2,000 posts, and I have over now 200,000 subscribers. Now if you look, this is the link to shop, but if you look at this post, for example, 13,000 likes and 147 comments. This post in a space of 3 months was posted at least 6 times. So the statistics show that when you post the same post over, 6 times maybe over the year, it gets you more visibility, because sometimes the first time that you post something, it does not necessarily get visibility, but then when the same post gets posted multiple times, you actually increase the visibility. This is the trick that I use to actually grow this Lion page to 200,000. So the first tool that I will recommend you, it's called Socialblade. Socialblade is the one tool that has a lot of features that can actually drive a lot of traffic to your site. So this is, for example, a blog or a website that I have. If I go on the Instagram, it's a plugin, it's a paid plugin that you buy and then you install it on your website. It's a one-time payment. If you look down here, it's Socialblade. But if I click on Socialblade, you can promote Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Now, you need to plan your posts in advance, meaning what? If you come here, for example, on the gallery, I have already planned the timing every post is going to be posted. So I have imported a list of pictures, for example, lion pictures, where I have also prepared a description for all of them, and I have decided to be posted every, for example, 8 to 9 hours. So that's why when you go down here, you will realize that every 9 hours a new post is posted. So I don't actually, even when I am sleeping, the tool is working for me. This is the one trick that I use to actually drove traffic to this site, to this Instagram page. And guess what? As people started checking my Instagram page more and more, it even posts stories. So again, it works for your blog, for your Instagram. So if I go on blog, for example, if I have a blog, because this is not a blog, this is an e-commerce site, but if I have a blog and I activate blog here and I decide to post my blog post every 6 hours, for example, guess what? That will take the future image of my blog post and post that every 6 hours, not the same post, but it will randomly pick across. So if you can select from new to old, from old to new, and randomly, it will randomly pick any of your posts and promote that for you on Instagram. If you go on Pinterest and you go on blog and you also activate this, it will do the same thing for all your blog posts. If you go on Facebook and you also go on blog, guess what? It will do the same thing for all your blog posts. Now, it also has a planner that allows you to schedule what you want to post across all those platforms. If I click, for example, on here and I want to post, for example, a post instead of a product, I click on post, and guess what? I will need to select a post. If I click here on select, then I want to post that on Facebook. I select the time, and then I put the description down here, and I click on save. At that specific time on that specific platform, that will be posted. Now, this is so powerful. I have grown Pinterest platform, and I've also grown Instagram pages with this one tool.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
The second tool that I want to talk about is called Later. Later is also a powerful scheduling tool that allow you to automate everything, maybe schedule a month, 2 months, 6 months in advance without having to manually do it, or hire or pay someone or waste money on someone to do it for you.
I think it's entirely possible.
Guess what? App Later actually has what we call link in bio that allows you to actually add link in bio on your product. So I connected that, for example, with my Instagram shop. If you look at here, I have a page called Shop All Wild, and then I connected that to my Instagram shop. I select this product. Guess what? This product, I was able to add an affiliate link on that product, an Amazon affiliate link, and that so that when people will come and click on the link in bio, they will land on this page that you see on the phone, and they will be able to click on any of those products and get exactly what they want. So when you actually click on link in bio and you connect that with your Instagram, guess what? You will see this. This is where your link will be. So for example, if I click on this link and I paste that link in my bio, in my Instagram bio, which is this one, guess what will happen? If I scroll down, guess that's how people will see it. People will see the list of my post that I actually posted on my Instagram page that I was able to link. So you can link actually affiliate links, you can link blog posts, you can link product, you can link literally anything on this Later app. Again, I might do an in-depth tutorial showing you how to do that. You can connect with your Shopify store. You can do a lot of things. That's how you drive traffic to your site. Imagine you import or you post the future images of your post on Instagram, and then you're able to link to each specific blog post on this page. When people will click, guess what? They will be able to land on each specific blog post they want and actually read that blog post. This is what I use to actually drove traffic from Instagram, from YouTube, and from Facebook. Third app is called Manychat. It does a lot of things. Manychat actually is much better than email marketing because not only it uses the messenger, like the Facebook Messenger app, and you're able to actually, when people land on your website, for example, or on your blog, guess what? They will have this button down here which will ask them, hey, can I help you? And when they click on this button, they will be able to continue. So it will be locked in already on their Facebook, and then they can continue there. As soon as they continue, guess what? They will be subscribed. Every single time you post a new post, you can actually push that on Facebook notification on their messenger. It will come as a message, and then they will actually open that and get to your website. This is actually another powerful way to drive traffic. Now, read this statistic. 1.3 billion people use Messenger every day. Imagine you have tons of traffic and you're able to make them subscribe on your website. You can push a lot of things. High conversion and high open rate, up to 60% open rate. The fourth tool that I want to talk about is Hootsuite. So it's actually another scheduling and planning app or website, but I believe this one is paid as well, that you can use to actually plan your content across different social platform. And I did not mention here on the later app, you can actually, as you see here, you have Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. You can even add another social media app. So it's really up to you. It's very powerful. But the other app that I wanted to talk about is actually Hootsuite. Hootsuite allows you to also schedule. It has a 30-day free trial which you can use. You can click on the link down below to try it for 30 days. But then it can do a lot of things such as planning. It can even help you create content. It can help you schedule the content so that it works as well 24/7, and your post will be automatically posted using the schedule that you've put on the calendar. This is a template of how it looks like. So you can post on Twitter, you can put the text, and then you can also insert the image that you want to associate with the text. You need to remove friction and allocate your time to do different things. That's why those apps are really powerful. You need to use those scheduling apps because they save you time and they also improve response quality. Imagine I had to post those 2,000 posts manually. That would be burdensome. I will not have time to do any other thing. I will not even get this amount of engagement across all my posts. And you can see that all my posts really get engagement, and then they're really done on automation. But now sometimes I manually post product, and as you can see that across my product, I am able to get as well high engagement on all the product that I'm able to post. Now this one, it's a major app.
I ain't make these rules up. I ain't make them up.
It's called Buzzsumo. It is an app that allows you to find all the content that is popular across the web in your niche or social media that is shared a lot, so that you can replicate that content. Let me show you an example. If I come here and I enter either a keyword or a domain, if I search, for example, there, how to be a leader. This is a keyword that you can write on, but you don't know exactly how to organize the content to bring a lot of traffic and engagement. Now, this is going to scan the web and find articles that had a lot of engagement and actually show you what are those. 5,000 total engagement, 3,000, 2,000. So if I open the Harvard Review Business article, I am able to see exactly how that content was written and exactly try to sort of copy the structure of the article and the ideas, but then write that and add my own touch. So this is the power of this tool. And like I said, keyword research is important, but you also need to find what works around your keyword. What are the best article on that keyword? Once you've found that popular post, create more of that on your blog. Use an app like Socialblade to actually post automatically those blog posts for you, and guess what? You will just get massive traffic. Because guess what? Those posts are proven to have a lot of engagement because that's what people want to see.
How incredible this is going to be. If we could just harness this power and use it for our own personal gain, there'd be no stopping.
The other app that I want to talk about, that I want to show you that I actually use as well, it's called OneSignal. OneSignal is actually a free app or a free plugin that allows you to actually collect people's devices or equivalent of emails. You know, when you actually visit people's website and you often see this notification, we would like to show you notification, and there is cancel and allow. As people click on allow, guess what? That registers their devices in such a way that next time that I'm publishing a post, I am just able to click on this button, send notification on post publish, and when I hit on publish, guess what? That will send a blast notification on all the devices, either the phone or the desktop, in a push notification way. On this side, I already captured 218 subscribers. On this other side, the MMS experience, I captured about 778 subscribers already. So when I publish a new post, I am able to drive traffic back to my site right away because those people get instant notification and they are able to share it on social media as well. The other tool that I want to talk about is called Hellobar. Hellobar is another platform that allows you to collect people email. I just opened the website and look at what happens. It's showing me what it's trying to gather my device with a push notification that I just showed you, and then if I click on allow, guess what? They will have my device. Now it says here this is an exit intent, saying that 98% of people leave your website without taking action.
I think it's entirely possible.
When you have a lot of people visiting your website, you want to be able to gather their email and then use those emails to actually push your future content or your post or your product if you're launching a new product. So if I close this, Hellobar will allow you to actually collect people email by just putting a simple hello bar on your website, and when people will click on get started, guess what? That will be able, if I click just like I clicked on get started, that will allow you to, or allow visitors to actually enter their email and subscribe to your email list, so that next time you have another blog post on automation, it's going to send a blast email campaign over to those people. Just look at how many marketers are using these platforms as well. You have people like Neil Patel, Eventbrite, Fox, Salesforce, Men's Health, and a lot of other marketers. And there are also a lot of other tools that I want to talk about, but I don't want to make this video long. So you're going to see the list of those tools down below in the description. That is what I wanted to show you. If you think that was helpful, please smash like button, share, talk to other people, subscribe to the channel, because like I said, there are so much content, free content for you to empower you for across many domains. Until next time, I want you to really take good care of yourself. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.